Hi folks, it's Matt here, and I just thought I would do a quick recording to highlight the issue of how do you do your digital lectures in a very quick and simple way. Well, you can use Zoom or you can use Google Meet. It'll do the recording for you just like this, okay? So if I share the screen, you get an idea, just pull up the stuff, and here you go, we've got a full lecture here, okay? So all I need to do is I just need to present, and then you just do your lecture as you normally would. Okay, this one's on digital marketing, a futurology focus. As you see, it's for the master's students, and you just run your lecture as you normally would. And again, the thing with the Zoom and stuff, you can actually move yourself around if you like the screen, okay, and you can make your points. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. So that's how you do your lectures. Just record as normal. Of course, you can jump in and out. You could do things like this, and you can see, well, I want to show the students a clip maybe from YouTube, or in this case, this is a 360. So this is the Sahara Desert in 12K 360, which is quite nice. You can do that. And again, you've got loads of content that you can share. So I'm using Flipboard here, so I could pull up a series of magazines, websites, whatever. Even if you want to use social media, you know, here's a TweetDeck. I can jump in and I can make a particular point on Twitter or Facebook or Instagram, TikTok, whatever. Key point is, it's pretty easy, straightforward, and as soon as you've finished, you just end the session and it will ask you where do you want it. And most people will just drop it onto their desktop, and then you can actually share it, put it on Google Drive, share it with everybody, or put it on YouTube if you like. It's totally up to you. And the good thing is if you put it on YouTube, it will automatically put closed captions in for you, which you might need to tweak on YouTube Studio, but I've got another video for that if you want to know. Anyway, that's a quick an easy way of doing your lectures digitally. Dead simple.